Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about the Pinacolone rearrangement. Okay. In this we convert the dihydroxy. This is the vicinal dihydroxy and this is the ketone. This vicinal dihydroxy we say it Pinacole and this formed is we call it Pinacolone. Okay. Now we see the mechanism in this. See all of you. This is the lone pair on the oxygen. Clear? Okay. So this lone pair will be donated to this H plus and by this an intermediate will be formed here which will be OH2 plus because oxygen is donating the electron, so oxygen will have the positive charge on it. Now you all know this that in this that positive charge on the oxygen is not much stable and this OH2 plus is very good leaving group, so it will be leaving the substrate. Okay, and what we will be forming, see H3C COH, this as it is, and you know when H2O will be leaving as leaving group, so it will take the electron from the carbon and it will form an intermediate carbocation. So the important thing in this that the intermediate carbocation is formed. Intermediate carbocation is formed. Is it clear or not? And if intermediate carbocation is going to be formed, then this formed carbocation should be more stable. Clear or not? So to get the more stability, now what can you see in this? See in this what will happen? This CH3 group, can you see this CH3 group, this CH3 group, this CH3 group? So both of the groups are same. So any of the group will be migrated. Any of the group will be migrated to this carbon. So in this what will happen? That we can write in this way CH3, CH3, CH3. Now it was leaving this carbon. So this carbon will have the positive charge here. Is it clear to you or not? Clear beta? I hope till now it is clear. Now in this what will happen? This oxygen is also having lone pair. Okay, and this carbocation. So oxygen will show its releasing effect and will donate the electron to the carbocation and will be forming a pi bond. Clear? So in this what we will have? This plus, okay, CH3, CH3, CH3. Okay, so in this way now you know that positive charge on the oxygen is not much stable, so oxygen will be leaving the hydrogen will be leaving the oxygen by donating the electron to oxygen and will be leaving as H plus, and what we will have? H3C C double bond O C CH3 CH3 CH3. In this way we have got what? Pinacolone. Clear? So this is the one thing. Now the important facts in this, the important characteristics of this reaction are intermediate carbocation is formed. Okay, so there should be stable intermediate. Clear or not? Okay, migration is taking place, so the group which is going to be migrated, migratory aptitude of that group should be good. Clear or not? So here those all characteristics I have written here, you can check it. Clear? The migratory group aptitude order is I have written here. So the highest migratory aptitude is shown by the hydrogen, then pH, then tertiary alkyl, then secondary alkyl, then primary alkyl, and the least is for the methyl group. Clear? Now we'll understand this Pinacolone rearrangement reaction by the example. Okay, in this you can see it very carefully that here oxygen, same thing, oxygen will donate the lone pair to this H plus, and here we will get what? An intermediate, this one ET C OH2 plus CH3 ET. Now this will be leaving as leaving group and it will be forming what? H3C COH ET C plus CH3 ET. Now you can see there in the previous example we had two identical groups CH3 CH3, but in this example we are having two different groups. Okay, here this is methyl, here ET means ethyl. What is the meaning of ET? CH2 CH3 primary, and we just discussed that primary alkyl is having more migratory group than the methyl. Clear? So here on the place of the methyl, ethyl will be migrated because it's higher migratory aptitude. Okay, and it will be migrated, so it will form a new intermediate that will be in this way. This is plus, and the same thing, oxygen will donate its electron to here, and what we will get? H3C C OH plus CH3. Clear beta? Now from here H plus will be removed by donating its electron to the oxygen, and we will get this Pinacolone. Clear or not? Okay, so this is complete Pinacolone rearrangement. I hope that you have got this very well. Okay, and if you get the doubt, then please tell me in the comment section. Thank you to all.